Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to continue class 10th mathematics. This is midterm examination, paper 3 key answers. In the previous video, we have solved from question number 1 to 16 of paper 3. Now, let us continue paper 3 and answer. Let us solve from question number 17 to 24. The first question of 2 marks is given that HCF of 306 and 657 is 9, then find the LCM of 306 and 657. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ internal choice question ಕೂಡ ಇದೆ. So let us solve both the questions. So 17th ಅಲ್ಲಿ first A ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. A is equal to 306. Then B ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ which is equal to 657. Then HCF is given as 9. We have to find out LCM. So LCM is equal to A into B divided by H. That is equal to 306 into 657 divided by 9. 9 ones are 9 threes are 27. In 3 miktu 36. 9 fours are 36. So now let us multiply 34 and 657. So LCM is equal to, so if you multiply 34 into 657, so let us, if you multiply these two, we will get the answer 22,338. So ಅದರೊಳಗಡೆ ಒಂದು internal choice question ಇದೆ. So let us solve that internal choice question. Find the LCM of 12, 15, 21 by the method of prime factorization ಅಂತ ಇದೆ. So let us find out the LCM for the given 12. So 2 6 are 12, 2 3s are 6. So 12 can be written as 2 to the power of 2 into 3. Then 15 given. So 15 divided by 3, 3 5s are 15. So 15 can be written as 3 into 5. Then 21, 3 7s are 21. So 21 is equal to 3 into 7. So ಈಗ ನಾವು ಬೇಕಾಗಿರೋದು LCM. LCM is equal to 2 to the power of 2 into 3 into 5 into 7. So 2 to the power of 2 is 4. 4 3s are 12. 12 5s are 60. 60 into 7 will become 420. So LCM will be equal to 420. Now let us move for 18th question. Find the sum and the product of the quadratic polynomial x square minus 7x plus 12 ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. So let us find out sum and product. So 18th question. So x square minus 7x plus 12. So standard form ax square plus bx plus c. So list ಮಾಡೋಣ. A is equal to 1, comma b is equal to minus 7, comma c is equal to 12. So sum alpha plus beta is equal to minus b by a. That is equal to minus of minus 7 divided by a is 1. So which is equal to 7. Then alpha beta is equal to c by a. So alpha is, c is 12 and a is 1. Therefore product will be equal to 2. Sum is 7 and product is 12. Now let us move for question number 19. If x plus y is equal to 8 and 2x minus y is equal to 7, we have to solve x and y. So let us solve question number 19 now. So equation 1 ನಲ್ಲಿ plus y ಇದೆ, equation 2 ನಲ್ಲಿ minus y ಇದೆ. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ equation 1 ಮತ್ತು equation 2 ನ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. So x plus y is equal to 8, x minus y is equal to 7. So plus y minus y cancel. So x plus x is 2x, which is equal to 8 plus 7 is 15. So x is equal to 15 by 2. X plus y is equal to 8. Y is equal to 8 minus x. Y is equal to, so that is 8 minus, so y is equal to 8 minus, so x is 15 by 2. So y is equal to, if you take 2 LCM, 2 8s are 16 minus 15. Therefore y is equal to 1 by 2. So x is equal to 15 by 2 and y is equal to 1 by 2. Now let us move for question number 20. In the question number 20, they have given solve x square minus 2x plus 3 is equal to 0 ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಇದನ್ನು ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರೈಸ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಲೆಟ್ ಅಸ್ ಮೂವ್ ಫಾರ್ ಬೈ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಮೆಥಡ್ಗೆ ಹೋಗೋಣ. ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಮೈನಸ್ 2x ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಮೈನಸ್ 2x ಪ್ಲಸ್ 3 is equal to 0. ಯಾವುದೋ ಎರಡು ನಂಬರ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 3 ಬರಬೇಕು. ಅದೇ ಎರಡು ನಂಬರ್ ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಅಥವಾ ಸಬ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ -2. ಇಲ್ಲಿ +3 ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಸೊ ಇದನ್ನು ಹಾಗೆ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರೈಸ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕಾಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಲೆಟ್ ಅಸ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ax ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ bx ಪ್ಲಸ್ c. ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ಗೆ ಕಂಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ a is equal to 1, b is equal to -2, c is equal to 3, x is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. So x is equal to minus b andre -2 plus or minus square root of b square andre -2 whole square minus 4 into a andre 1 into c andre 3 divided by 2 into a andre 1. So x is equal to 2 plus or minus into minus become plus 2 plus or minus square root of, so 2 square is 4 minus 4 3s are 12 divided by 2, that is equal to 2 plus or minus square root of minus 8 divided by 2. So we'll get imaginary root. Now let us move for question number 21. In the question number 21, they have given find the nature of the roots of the equation 3x square minus 5x plus 2 is equal to 0. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಇಂಟರ್ನಲ್ ಚಾಯ್ಸ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಇದೆ ಟು ಫೈಂಡ್ ದ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಆಫ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಆಫ್ ಕೆ. ಸೊ ಲೆಟ್ ಅಸ್ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಬೋತ್ ದ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ನಾವು. ಸೊ ಇದನ್ನು ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ ಫಾರ್ಮಿಗೆ ಕಂಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ax ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ bx ಪ್ಲಸ್ c is equal to 0, a is equal to 3, b is equal to -5, c is equal to 2. So delta is equal to b square minus 4ac. So delta is equal to -5 whole square minus 4 into a andre 3, c andre 2. So delta is equal to 25 minus 4 3s are 12, 12 2s are 24. So delta is equal to 1. So that means delta is greater than 0. Therefore, the nature of the roots are real and distinct. ಅದರೊಳಗೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಇಂಟರ್ನಲ್ ಚಾಯ್ಸ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಲೆಟ್ ಅಸ್ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ದಟ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ. ಫೈಂಡ್ ದ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಆಫ್ ಕೆ ಇಫ್ ದ ಕ್ವಾಡ್ರಾಟಿಕ್ ಈಕ್ವೇಷನ್ 2x ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ kx ಪ್ಲಸ್ 3 is equal to 0 ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ರೂಟ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ. ಸೊ ಇಂಟು ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ರೂಟ್ಸ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಡೆಲ್ಟಾನ 0 ಹಾಕೋಬೇಕಾಗತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಲೆಟ್ ಅಸ್ ಫೈಂಡ್ ದ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಆಫ್ x. What the equation given? 2x square plus kx plus 3 is equal to 0. So let us compare it to standard form. So ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. A is equal to 2, b is equal to k, c is equal to 3, delta is equal to 0. So delta is equal to b square minus 4ac. Delta is 0. 0 is equal to b square is k square minus 4 into a andre 2 into c andre 3. So 0 is equal to k square minus 4 2s are 8, 8 3s are become 24. So k square is equal to minus 24 ikade shift madidre plus 24. So k is equal to plus or minus square root of 24. So k is equal to plus or minus square root of 24. 24 can be written as 4 6. Therefore k is equal to plus or minus 2 square root of 4 andre 2 root 6. So k is equal to plus or minus 2 root 6. So like this we have to find the value of k. Now let us move for 22nd question. Find the 30th term of the AP 7, 11, 15. So we have to find out A30. So A is equal to 7, D is equal to 11 minus 7 is 4, N is equal to 30, A30 is equal to question mark. So A30 can be written as A plus 29D. So A30 is equal to A andre 7 plus 29 into D andre 4. So A30 is equal to 7 plus 4 9s are 36, get 6, 3 carry, 4 2s are 8, 8 plus 3 11. So therefore A30 is equal to, ಎರಡು add ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ it will be 123. So the value of A30 is 123. Now let us move for question number 23. In the 23rd question they have given, in triangle ABC DE parallel BC, if AD is given as 5 cm, BD is given as 7 cm, AC is given as 18 cm, we have to find the length of AE. So AE ಈಗ ಎ ಬಿ ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದರೆ 5 + 7 ಎ ಬಿ 12 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಈಗ ಲಿಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂತ ಹೋಗೋಣ. ಸೊ ಲೆಟ್ ಅಸ್ ಮೇಕ್ ಎ ಲಿಸ್ಟ್ ಹಿಯರ್. ಎ ಡಿ ಈಸ್ ಗಿವನ್ ಆಸ್ 5 cm, ಬಿ ಡಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಅದನ್ನು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಎ ಬಿ ಬರೆಯೋದಾದರೆ ಎ ಬಿ ಈಸ್ ಎ ಡಿ 5 ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಬಿ ಡಿ 7, ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಎ ಬಿ 12 cm ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಎ ಸಿ ಅವರೇ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ವಿಚ್ ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 18 cm. ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಎ ಇ. ಸೊ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಥಿಯರಮ್, ಕರೋಲರಿ ಆಫ್ ಥೇಲ್ಸ್ ಥಿಯರಮ್ನ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ, ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ವಿ ವಿಲ್ ಗೆಟ್ ಎ ಡಿ ಬೈ ಎ ಬಿ will be equal to AE divided by AC. AD andre 5, AB andre 12, AE andre we don't know, divided by AC andre 18. So AE is equal to 5 into 18 divided by 12. So divide ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 6 3s are 6 2s are. So AE is equal to 5 3s are 15. 15 ಅಲ್ಲಿ half andre it will be 7.5 cm. Therefore the value of AE is 7.5 cm. So AE is 7.5 cm. Last question of 2 marks is, find the distance between the points A 3,6 and B 5,7. So by using distance formula, let us find the distance between those 2 points. So in the 24th question, the coordinates of point A is 3,6, which you can call it as x1 y1, and the coordinates of B is 5,7, which you can call it as x2 y2. So D is equal to square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So distance between 2 points is equal to x2 5 minus x1 3 whole square plus y2 7 minus y1 6 whole square. So D is equal to square root of 5 minus 3 is 2 square, 7 minus 6 is 1 square. So D is equal to square root of 2 square is 4, 1 square is 1. So D is equal to square root of 5 units. So by this we have successfully solved all the questions related to 2 marks question of midterm examination paper 3. So in the next video we are going to solve 3 marks question of paper 3. Till then, thank you very much. Still, those who are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe it. Those who already subscribed, please watch my videos, like my videos and share my videos, and don't forget to press the bell icon to get the notification for the next video. So once again, thank you very much. So have a nice day.